I feel like my least favorite part of being a YouTuber is literally having to use my voice first thing in the morning and having to film it for you guys. Good morning, guys. Welcome to today's video. Very happy you're here. Today is automatically a good day because I have today off from school. It's like teacher in service day. No, take that back. It's parent-teacher conferences today. I just don't have school today. It's a Tuesday, so I slept in. It's 10:19. First thing we're gonna do this morning is read this book. It's called Beach Read. I just finished like a pretty intense like philosophical book yesterday that made me rethink my whole life. Today I thought I'd start a book that's more like upbeat to give myself a break. So we're reading a basic rom-com and I'm very excited. Okie dokie, let's get reading. Why are dedication pages literally my favorite part of books? They're just so cute and wholesome. Look at that. I'm only 25 pages in and I already know that I'm gonna love it. So yeah, very excited to finish reading this book. I'll definitely let you guys know how I like the book when I'm done. I actually have like a whole book highlight on my Instagram because I'm literally a book nerd now, and I just rate all of my books on my Instagram story. So if you're looking for more book suggestions, you should check that out. Now who looks like they have their life together, made my bed and everything. Also, can we talk about how Cassie finally cleaned her room last night? Look at that. You know a room is clean when you can see all the vacuum markings. Oh my goodness. Okay, next thing on the agenda is to make the agenda. I need to figure out everything I'm planning on doing today. Also guys, can we talk about how it's 3 months into the school year and I'm still using my planner? I don't think that's ever happened before. I'm kind of impressed with myself. I feel like you should be too. Look at that. That's so crazy. Junior year is hard. I thought all of the like upperclassmen were tripping when they were like, junior year is so hard, like enjoy it while you're a lowerclassman. But now I'm a junior and I don't know what it is about junior year, but having Spanish 2, pre-calc, and chemistry all at the same time, I'm barely staying afloat, guys. So this planner has been extremely helpful. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up and actually start writing down what I need to get done. Okay, here are all the post-it notes. I'm gonna put them up on my wall. Go stream Red Taylor's version right now. Now that we have the plan for the day, we're gonna start getting ready for the day. Also, it's sunny today and I'm very happy about that. Blue sky for once. This is what we're working with. Not terrible, but we could do better. Picnic with my best friend. Why is my hair so soft for no reason this morning? Love that. Now life's back in color and everything's feeling brand new. You know guys, one of these days, I just need to bite the bullet and buy some new makeup. Like, it's embarrassing at this point. This mascara is like over a year old. All of my makeup is over a year old, and the makeup I do have, there's like 5 items. You know, not saying that I want to be like a beauty guru or like a makeup artist or anything, but it'd kind of be nice to have at least one eyeshadow palette. So like, for example, my school banquet is coming up and I have no idea what I'm gonna do for makeup. I just want like the option to be able to do like fun eyeliner or fun eyeshadow look or like whatever I wanna do. I don't even have that option because I have none of those things available to me. But I have no idea what eyeshadow palette to buy. You know what? Comment down below what eyeshadow palette I should get for like a beginner and just like that's good for a lot of different makeup looks. Definitely let me know. I wasn't really feeling anything fancy today, so I think this is the look for today. I just brushed out my hair. I didn't do anything with it and then just put on some basic makeup and I think we're good to go. The next thing we're gonna do is pick out an outfit, which I'm not necessarily sure like which vibe I'm going for today. Normally I would just do like a super comfy outfit if it was a day off of school, but I'm also filming today, so that kind of complicates things because I want to have like a cute outfit because a lot of people are gonna see my outfit, so you know, I want it to look good. I'm thinking this jacket's kind of cute. It gives off like Y2K vibe, and I actually got this at Goodwill a couple days ago, which remind me, I will show you guys my entire like thrifting haul. I mean, you guys obviously can't remind me, but me saying it out loud is gonna remind me. I'm gonna try this on and see how we feel about it. Okay, here's the fit. You guys can't even see the entire fit. Hold up. You know, I don't think it looks bad if I like halfway zip up the jacket. I just love the cute little pockets it has, and it's such Y2K vibes. I love it. Jeans are American Eagle. I literally wear them with every outfit. They're the most comfortable things ever. The jacket, as I said before, is thrifted from Goodwill, and then the shirt is Brandy Melville. I can't tell if this fit looks good, so if it doesn't and I realize that later, my apologies. Hold up, guys. I forgot to put on my necklace. This is literally gonna make the fit go up like 10 points. Okay, yeah, that's adorable. Also, if you're wondering where my necklace is from and also my ring, it's from Omo Jewelry, a small business that sent it to me, and I have a code for you guys to use, so definitely use it to get some money off. Okie dokie, let me get this out of the way. Here is a super quick haul of some things I got. So a couple days ago on Sunday, I went shopping with a bunch of my best friends for one of their birthdays. We went shopping at Plato's Closet, Goodwill, and then Barnes & Noble. So I didn't get a ton of things because I'm trying to save more money, but I did get a couple things. First up is this jacket. I got it from Plato's Closet for like 10 bucks, but it was originally from PacSun. So I feel like that's a lot of money off. It looks kind of industrial and out there, and I love the vibe of it. Next up, we got some really cute white mom jeans. I've been looking for just like a basic staple of white jeans, and I found these at Plato's Closet for 10 bucks. And the last thing I got at Plato's Closet was this claw clip for like 2 bucks. I don't own any claw clips, but I know it's like a super big trend to like wear claw clips. I have no idea how to use one, so we're gonna have to figure that out, but until then, I just think it's cute, and I think this color will look really good with all of my uniforms that I wear to school. Shopping at Goodwill was super overwhelming. They had so many clothes, and like 99% of them were not wearable, in my opinion. I did find this really cute Aeropostale jacket. I'll zip it up so you guys can get a better look at it. And then at Barnes & Noble is where I spent the most of my money. The first thing we got that I showed you guys earlier was Beach Read, and I'm very excited to read this, just a cute little rom-com. And then we have the book, The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. Also my best friend's like all-time favorite book. She loves it so much, so I told her I would read it. But yes, so that is all we got. I am very happy with all of my purchases. Money well spent. Okay, but fun fact, I'm actually starving, so let's go get some breakfast. Okay guys, here's my thought process, and hear me out. It's currently 11:44, basically 12, which means even though I haven't had breakfast, it's pretty much lunchtime. Should I have lunch food instead of breakfast food? Because like, I'm not really feeling the whole cereal and toast vibe right now. I kind of want to have like full-on spaghetti. This just kind of looks fire to me right now. I'm just gonna chill here and watch YouTube as I eat. Okay, who wants to place bets to see whether I can reach that suitcase on the top shelf? I didn't want to have to do this, but I'm gonna have to pull up my makeshift stool thing. I have a trip coming up soon with my family, and I need to pack for that. I'm finally not packing the night before. Look at me.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind, and she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine.
I just finished packing all of the things I'm able to pack before like the night before. We have all of that figured out, and I'm gonna take this post-it note off. Okay, it's homework time now. I hate homework, but we gotta get it done. I have to research my history project, and then after I finish the research, I'm gonna drive to a friend's house, and then we have to complete the project. I think we're making like a poster or something. I'm gonna try to get this done as quickly as possible.
Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I...
Ooh, funky lighting. Okay, so here's the plan, guys. I just finished all of my research that I need to do, and now I'm gonna head over to my friend's house, like I said earlier. I'm not sure if we're gonna make like an actual poster or like a digital poster. I guess I'll decide that when we get there, but let's go. Look, there's our project.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
Cool. Are you
Food.
do the video?
Your voice. Food and Drug Act Look at that. Look how pretty the sky is. Oh my goodness. We finished the project and we're gonna print it out tomorrow, and I'm very happy because it's not due until after Thanksgiving break, but I just wanted to get it over with because I do not want to be doing any homework during Thanksgiving break. Okay, I'm back home now. I just finished eating dinner. I had pad thai. Absolutely delicious. I love pad thai. It's currently 5:13. I have no idea how this day went by so fast, but it did, and I still have a lot of homework to do. We gotta get all of that done.
You get so alone, sometimes it starts to make sense. On this side of paradise.
That Spanish assignment literally took me an hour and a half to finish, but to be fair, it was 2 assignments and 3 pages each. And plus I'm just not very good at Spanish, so all of those things together, I have no energy, and I have like 2 math assignments I need to get done. And it's already like 9 o'clock? What time is it? Let me check. Oh, I thought it was 9 o'clock. Guys, it's literally 7:20. That's embarrassing. You know, we're just gonna go get a snack to wake myself up because I thought it was way later than it is. Cinnamon burst bread? You're kidding. It's around like 11 o'clock, I think, and I'm gonna try to go to sleep right now. I didn't really film myself much tonight because for some reason I started to not feel good. Like I'm starting to feel like I have a cold or something. I'm kind of nervous to fall asleep because you know how there's like 2 types of sickness? Like you fall asleep and you feel worse in the morning, or you fall asleep and you feel completely better in the morning, and I have no idea which one it's gonna be. Wish me luck. I'll update you guys when I'm editing this video. Anyways, I love you all to the moon and back, and thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I had so much fun, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Oh, and subscribe, that'd be cool.